In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 PaperMatte, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Display and Brightness available here. Now scroll again, this time to click on Screen Refresh Rate, and apply any of those by tapping on the best one for you: Dynamic, High or Standard. Wherever you decided, when you're done, just go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, screen refresh rate of my HUAWEI has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!